and a sword in your hand. You're coming through the clouds. You are willing to descend. How we love you with fire in your eyes and a sword in your hand. Yeah. You're coming through the clouds. You are willing to descend. Sing out to us. So
draw me to your presence. Breathe upon my soul. Take me to your river, where healing waters flow. And let my eyes behold you. Your glory, Lord, reveal. Take me to that secret place, and there let time stand still. Oh, how my soul thirsts for you. Send down your rain and fill my cup, and now my flesh yearns for